If there is no sound for incoming calls in your iPhone, then the first thing that you have to check is there is a button here on the side. This is the silent and the ringer button. Make sure that this button is moved towards the top. If it is moved towards the top, that means your phone is in ringer mode. But if this button is towards down, then the phone is in silent mode. The second thing that you have to check is you have to check if you have enabled do not disturb mode in your iPhone. So go to settings here, go to do not disturb mode and make sure it is disabled. If it is enabled, then all the incoming calls will be silenced. Also, what you do is swipe the screen and turn off the Bluetooth to make sure that your iPhone is not connected to Bluetooth speaker. Then go to settings, go to sounds and haptics and make sure that this ringer and then alert sound is halfway or maximum. Again, we will go back to the settings, we will scroll down and then we will go to phone option, and there is an option here, silence unknown callers. Make sure that if it is enabled like this one, to disable it. If it is enabled, then any phone number which is not present in your contact list will be silenced. So do all of these things and hopefully you should be able to hear the sounds for incoming calls in your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.